Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Shellie Geigle with J&S Hobbies and Crafts, and today's project share is this very large album that I made. Finished size is about 11 1/8 by 8 5/8, and the spine is about 2 7/8. And this was created with two of the Tulla and Norberts Sweet as Honey paper packs. It took two, and it's by Photoplay. I don't sell this paper. In fact, a few weeks ago I was at Craft Warehouse with my daughter-in-law, and I walked by it and I thought that would be perfect for photos for my grandkids in it. And this caught my eye and I decided to make something with it. There is no tutorial. This is just something I'm sharing with you for inspiration in case you already have that, or you want to get the paper pack at Craft Warehouse or wherever it is that you shop, and just kind of show you how the colors go together and what I did with it. So very large album here. And on the spine I used one of these, the little Tim Holtz Baroque frames. Through this I have some magnets that I used inside, and then there's some pages that don't have them. So I didn't really care about the consistency of magnets in my own album. Up front we have this little flip. It's super cute. And I can slide a photo back behind him, and I can journal in here too. So we're going to go to the first page here. Again, this is large. And right over here is a couple fold outs. Right here I have a tuck for a picture mat, and this will open up, and this opens up, so I have something right there, and that will open up, and I'm going to slide this down so you can kind of see everything. I have a couple pockets here for picture mats, and I also have this area I can just lay my pictures. So, and I can also add more as I go. Over here, what I have is a pocket, and I also have a waterfall over here. And I'll show you this in a minute, what I did. So over here, the pocket, and I've got 3 in there. It's kind of tight, but it works. So this is magnetic right here. This is not, and keep this down, what I did was I did this little strap down here, so when I close it, the magnet on this connects here, and then it keeps it down. And then to open it up, it's just a waterfall. And matter of fact, I'll probably remove one of these because I did not make my pocket spaced out enough, and I'll put that somewhere else. The next page is just a large pocket, and I have some picture mats in there. Very cute. Over here, what I have is a fold out, but I also have a tuck right back behind this, and then there's a pocket over here that I can stick my photos in. And this opens up. I have a large area just to play out my photographs. Over here I can put some photographs, smaller ones or just one big one, and have the background. So this opens up, and I have another place for photo, and I did a picture mat and tucked it back behind here, and I also can lay a picture right there. And I'm just going to put all of these back in, and I'll put that extra one back in there. Plenty of room. Next page, we have some fold outs and pockets on the front, and I'll start over here. I haven't backed this mat yet. This one is, but it's a generous size pocket, and I thought that came out super cute. And then when I open it up, scoot this down, I have another side pocket over here, and I have a place here to journal. And here I slid a picture mat back behind him, and I can also place photos right here. Over here's the same exact thing. I got my pocket up front, some picture mats, and you open it up, and I have my side pocket, a couple picture mats, and I did the same thing. I tucked a mat back behind here, and then I have all this to place photos. Moving on to the next page is a very large pocket, and up here I have magnets, but I can open that up and place a couple small photos in there. And I also made it so I can tuck something back behind. Over here I have a generous size pocket. And then this will open up so I can lay a photo here, and I can get another photo in over here. Over here, what I did was I have a fold out, and I have this folder, and this folder is what keeps this flap down, and I haven't placed any paper yet up there. But just a little folder. And I haven't got paper in there either. This opens up and gives me a lot of room just to place my photographs. Over here is the same thing. It's a fold out, and I have a folder, and that's what keeps this down. Open it up, and more places. So you can see that this layout is large, and I can get a lot of photographs in there on these 2 pages. So that is what I created that I wanted to share with you. I will be coming out soon with a tutorial with some paper that comes in, and it's going to be a large album. I don't know if it's going to be replicating this one, but I think it's going to be replicating my Camp Happy Bear, but I'll use different paper. I hope you've enjoyed this project share. I hope it's given some inspiration, whether or not you use this paper or not. I'll see you real soon. Happy crafting, everybody.